Hi everyone, it's Val here. Welcome back to Unboxing with Val. Today's video is Mindful Souls January 2024. I believe this is my January 2024 box. And it's the first box of the year. Before we get into this video, sorry I lost my train of thought there. Before we get into this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more Mindful Souls videos, subscribe down below. And let's go ahead and get started. I hope everyone has a great Mindful Monday. And if you're watching this later in the week, then I hope you all had a great Mindful Monday or have a great upcoming Mindful Monday. Mindful Souls is one of my favorite boxes to unbox on this channel. I've been unboxing it for just a little over a year. But once we open it, it always says, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. I love reading that every time I open this box. The last two boxes have had a little baggie at the very top, so I wonder if they want me to open them first. I wonder if that's what's going on, like open this first before you get into the video and show it to the camera. So I'll go ahead and do that. Oh, it's a little bracelet. I think it's a little amethyst bracelet, and it says, what does it say? It says handmade. So just a little bracelet. I think it's a little amethyst bracelet. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on actually. By the way, I just recorded a video before this. I recorded my cat lady box video before this for January. And I just got a new little ring in this cat sweatshirt. So I'm excited to be wearing these right now. Can I put this on, please? I might need some help making this. I need some help making this tighter, because it needs to be just a little tighter. Well, I can't do it right now. But this is the bracelet. So sorry that you had to watch me struggle. Maybe I'll cut that out. I don't know. And then we always get our little information pamphlet. We get a sticker. So this month's sticker is just this kind of like a, I think it's kind of like a silhouette of a person meditating, and then her hair's floating all up in the sky, or in the air, creating a starry night sky. I think it's kind of a really nice simple sticker. And then we always get a affirmation card. I love getting affirmation cards every month. And this one is the affirmation for energy. It says, every cell in my body vibrates with energy and health. And I think that's perfect for this month, because that's something that actually I want for this month. I want to kind of bring more energy into my life and have more energy the next few months, the next year. So that's a very great affirmation, because that's actually what I'm trying to do. So let's go ahead and go through all of the items that we get today. The first is a skincare item. It is the Clean Color Rosewater Facial Mask. It says Rosewater moisturizes and rejuvenates the skin. So this is the first item. It's a skincare item, which I like that I got this. Might do that today. My face feels so dry, so I'll probably do that tonight. We got incense. Okay, we got incense. Sometimes they send incense, sometimes they don't. They did today though. They smell good. They don't smell like anything special. These are the Ajaro Agate incense. Ooh, this one feels heavy. Well, it doesn't feel heavy, but it feels like a rock. It feels like a rock, like a little crystal. And it is a little crystal. It looks purple, so I'm thinking it's amethyst. But this is the rock, or the crystal, and it's just a flat surfaced rock, so I can just place it on the table. Let's see. Oh no. It's getting messy here with the little papers. Okay. Ooh, we got a necklace. I was disappointed with one of the last necklaces. It was a pink rose quartz necklace. And I'm disappointed because I don't get how to wear this, but this is a really pretty necklace. It's black with this bronze kind of like crown thing. I'll go ahead and put it on. Maybe I can just slip it over my head. Nope, it doesn't fit. The necklace is not adjustable. It just got one little ring, or one little loop kind of thing. Here is the necklace on. I do like the crown. I love the little crown that it has. It's actually really pretty. Okay, this feels like another crystal. Another little rock. Oh, this is pretty. So it's a blue rock. It's kind of sparkly. Okay, what's next? This feels like a ring. I think it's a ring. Oh, okay, I think I know what this is. I think I have a bracelet from them that's the same. I want to say it's, okay, I'm gonna, goldstone, blue goldstone or something. This is actually really pretty. It's a giant, it's actually like a big, so this is what it looks like. It's actually really pretty, and it is adjustable. I don't know if you can see that, but it is adjustable. Even on my, no, I think I prefer it if I would put it here. So I got 2 rings in 2 different boxes today. Kind of actually really like the rings. But it's so pretty. I have a bracelet that will match this that I can wear with this from Mindful Souls, so I'm super excited for that. Is there anything else? Nothing else. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn y'all over to my wall. For those of you who are new to my Mindful Souls unboxings, something that I enjoy doing is turning my camera around and going through the information card and each item one by one, because it does read a description or have a description of them. So I do like to do that one by one with my wall as a background. So let's go ahead and do that. So welcome to my wall, everyone. Here's a little information pamphlet. So let's go ahead and start with this item. This is the rough Peacock copper. It says about it, and I'll show it to y'all again. So it looks like in the picture it's got some blues and purples. I only see blue and silver, and of course the natural rock. And it says, this stone of happiness and joy. Oh no, this is a stone of happiness and joy. It is said to turn you in positive directions and help channel happiness to others. The most lovely gift of this stone is that it brings you the ability to see and appreciate the joy available in every moment, as well as feeling of acceptance that all is exactly as it should be, exactly as it is. Okay, I'm gonna take my ring off. This is such a pretty ring, everyone. So don't you see those blue specks? Okay, so as I was saying, this is such a beautiful ring with the blue specks. I got my matching bracelet that also has like those blue specks that I think are just so pretty. So I'm excited to pair these together. That's gonna look so beautiful in the sunlight. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited to wear them together. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on. Anyways, about the blue sandstone ring, It says, blue sandstone is a man-made stone, but it has made its way into the crystal lovers community because it often reminds people of a galaxy of stars. Blue sandstone is widely believed to possess a range of metaphysical properties. Some claim it can improve mood, enhance vitality, and increase energy levels. Others rely on it to clear the mind and drive out negative emotions like anger and anxiety. Some say its likeness to the night sky represents courage and confidence. The next item that it talks about is the Rosewater face mask. And like I said, this was just a clean color Rosewater facial mask. About it, it says, radiant and moisturized skin can really change your day from dull and ordinary to one where you're beaming in self-confidence. This Rosewater facial mask contains antioxidant and inflammatory properties to cleanse and calm skin. Simply place the mask on your face, close your eyes, and unwind for 15 minutes while the soothing rosewater hydrates your skin. The next item, or jewelry item, is the black agate necklace, which I am wearing, so I won't show y'all, but I showed you earlier. It says that black agate is believed to attract good fortune, increase concentration, clarity, as well as strength and courage. It is also great to wear black agate necklace when we seek protection, success, or energy. So this will probably be a necklace that I wear often, just because I seek energy. And yeah, the next little item is the Amethyst Dusty Bracelet. So I knew it was amethyst. I was having a hard time adjusting it, so we'll see if I can get it adjusted. But it is handmade, and this is the crystal, and then it's got the little beads on the side with the gold, and then this little token that says handmade. So about it, oh, it says Amethyst Druzy, not Dusty. It says Druzy. My bad. It says the stone of peace, emotional protection, and sobriety. When placed against the skin, it works as a natural stress reliever. This stone is about staying grounded while maintaining some higher spiritual perspective. Wearing it while meditating is said to deepen the practice and create a heightened awareness. The next item that we got was the rough Lepidolite chunk. I thought part of it might be amethyst because it doesn't have those purples that amethyst has, but this is just the rough Lepidolite chunk. I do like the purple and the whites. And it says, the soothing energy of Lepidolite is something that many people can benefit from. Lepidolite stone helps overcome any emotional or mental dependence, supports any addiction and complaint. It promotes independence, self-love, and confidence. The last item that it talks about that we have is the Satya Ajaro incense sticks. Or are, I think I said is, but they are the Satya Ajaro incense sticks. Okay, it says, a comforting mix of mellow, smooth, and sweet is waiting for you. These Satya Ajaro incense sticks deliver one of the most unique and pleasant scent notes. Use this aromatherapy tool to complement your spiritual practices, or simply use it during the day or at bedtime. You'll alleviate stress and feel completely at peace. This is why incense has been around since ancient dynasties started using them. Alright everyone, so that was the end of my Mindful Souls January 2024 unboxing. If y'all enjoyed this video, as I said from the beginning, give it a big thumbs up. To subscribe down below, just click that button and you'll see more Mindful Souls videos and all of the other unboxings that I have on my channel. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone.